Alright guys, so in today's video we're going to be hopping in the Miata for the first time in forever. We're going to be pushing it out of where it's parked now and down to a buddy's shop. We're going to go ahead and drop the motor in it and hopefully get it started in the next few days, and hopefully everything goes smoothly because, hand building that motor and throwing it in, it's a bit questioning to see if it'll work the first time, but we'll see. I know we gotta take some of the fueling out or unplug the fuel injector fuse, but my fuel line's cut because I couldn't unplug it, so I'm just gonna hook another fuel line up to it and leave the fuel into a bottle, and we should be good to go. And then spark plugs out for that. Anyway, that's for in the future, so we're gonna go ahead, hop in the Miata, roll down the street, and move it into the garage. Oh shit! Yo, no motor gang!
What is wrong with letting people be happy?
Oh shit.
Oh, it looks so gross.
None of my gauges are.
Look at this fuel. See the fuel that just came out.
Hey, the lights are working. Dude, I'm honestly, I'm kind of nervous. We're just priming it. Holy shit!
Do the spark plugs? Do you stay out?
Yeah, you want to take them out? Were they in there?
They were just like.
Oh, yeah. I mean, it's building compression, but.
Yeah. Right.
Hey.
I got a full tank of gas.
Well, we'll do a little more. We'll do a little more.
Oh, no. It's gonna overflow.
Oh, okay. Yeah. You're good.
Hold on.
That's some nasty ass gas, dude.
Yeah.
I mean, it also has been sitting for 5 months, so it's good it wasn't straightened in the motor. It's weird, none of my gauges are working. But dude, so far everything's working. I revved really high. Hey! Okay. She started! Woo! Alright guys, we're finally back in the Miata with a purpose this time. The motor's in it and it's really weird. The front is sitting super nice. We got finger fitment in the front. I still gotta roll the rear fenders. Anyway, it starts and it runs. I'm hesitant to take it around the block because I have a fueling issue. I didn't get the injectors clean, so I just ordered new ones. I mean, why not? So those are on the way. They should be here pretty soon, and then we'll be getting the Miata ready, get everything buttoned up. I mean, ready kind of is. Lights and everything are all in, working. I have LEDs on the way because, you know, might as well do it. We got to see if the thermostat opens and the fans work because I am unsure yet, but the hood's off of it for right now. But it's just really cool. The motor's back in it, and we have a car again 5 months later, 6 months later, something like that. Anyway, I'm going to let you guys go because we got a lot to do, a lot to plan, and a lot to fix on here, I guess. Not really. Still got to mess with the tuning or something because, as you guys saw, it idles really high, and it's either the injectors or the duty cycle on the motor is just different because the turbo's not hooked up, is what I'm assuming. But I don't know. If you guys have any suggestions, leave them down below. Anything helps. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next video when we actually street drive this, or we do something with that guy right there. Not the exhaust, the truck. Anyway, I will catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you stay up to date with all the new videos. And you know, when we finally get ripping on the hopefully 300 horsepower Miata. So anyway, see you guys in the next one.